Alright guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed today's VFX. Also, if you may be interested about the behind the scene, maybe you want to know or learn how did that. Um, I'll be making a video on my second channel called Art Creations. And so there you'll see like the behind the scene. The link will be on the description as well as on the comment section so you won't miss anything. Actually, I have it over here. This is Ox Creations, and this is where everything related to VFX, modeling, 3D stuff is dedicated. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe like that. And also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and help us to reach more than 10 subscribers. Thank you. Also, I would like to know your thoughts regarding the actual monster that was featured in this video. Let me know maybe if you like if you want me to do or to create more. So have a great week and take care.